Hello everybody, Jay the Retro Tech Detective here, and today we'll be taking a look at this original Furby from 1999. These were produced by Tiger Electronics. If we just take a look at the tag here, copyright 1999, and this one was purchased off eBay as faulty and non-functional. So let's take this battery cover off first and see what's behind there. Just a standard star screwdriver here. Peel this back. Crunchy. Look at those battery terminals. Wow. They're so corroded. Some of them are completely corroded away. Gonna have to see if I can clean these up, maybe replace them, and take a look inside and see if there's any damage. How do you skin a Furby? That's one Furby skin. Now we have to remove the outer shell of Darth Furby. Man, that's creepy. The more you take off, the scarier this guy looks. The good news is though, all the electronics seem to be fine. No corrosion, so let's continue with removing the battery compartment. These battery terminals took me longer to remove than they should have, but they were just so badly corroded that they were stuck in there. Enjoy the sped up footage. Now that the terminals are removed, we're going to soak them in a bath of white vinegar and pray it does some magic. It's not going to be perfect, but it should clean most of the corrosion off. After a few hours of soaking in the white vinegar and a bit of a scrub with a wire brush, the battery terminals cleaned up. They're still not perfect. One of them I had to replace with a spare I had, and I also had to use a little bit of aluminium foil to complete the contact, but this should work. Yes, it works. But it's terrifying, so let's put the skin back on and see if that helps.